Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dark Coders. In this video, you will learn about sort of list, different sort of list. You will learn ordered list, unordered list, and the nested list. I will make you explain these three types of list when we will do coding. But before beginning our coding, I wanted to tell you that from today we are going to use one new software, JSBean. There is no need of downloading this software. In the description box, I have given one of the link. Click on that, and you will get opened your JSBean software directly on your browser. I have switched bracket to JSBean because while we were using the brackets for running our program, we have to go on our browser to see our output. But on JSBean, we will get the output on the same page. See here. Here we will do coding, and here we will get the output. So means it is we will be able to get it convenient for us to use. So and in last video I have told you about the basic structure of HTML. This is a specialty of this software that we will get this. See the basic structure already written only, means no need of writing that basic structure. I will make you explain this meta charset when we will do coding. So now from my side I would suggest you that you should use your laptops and computers at the same time when you are watching videos, especially my videos, because when you will do practically while with me, so you will be able to learn, or means you will be grabbing it very easily. So let's begin with our coding. So guys, what do you mean by meta charset UTF-8? Actually it is set of characters. Characters means A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, @ hashtag, different types of symbols on your keyboard are known as characters. In this tag, almost all the characters are being covered, so we have to use this tag only. Okay. So before beginning, I wanted to tell you that we have to use a comment option. Actually, what do you mean by comment? Comments. We have to write comments for our own purpose, means for our own understanding, for our own remembering. It's beneficial for us only. So we will write here like these comments will be written. Okay, dash dash. I have put exclamation and dash dash, that are important. Okay, that we have to put, and after that you can write anything, and again dash dash, and then conical bracket. Okay, now I will write here comment ordered list. Ordered. See, this is not being displayed on your output. So after that we will write is OL tag. OL means ordered list. After that we will write LI. After writing LI, see here came a number 1. Okay. Inside LI tag we have to write whatever we want to display after 1. Okay. So here I will write the ingredients needed for tea in a stepwise manner, because in ordered list the things should be in proper manner, and in unordered list you can write things in any order. Okay, means randomly. Now here I will write water. Okay. Here we have written is end of LIC. In our output, one number water. Okay. After this I will write water ginger. Okay. After this I will write milk. See here everything is being displayed. Okay, on your output side. Now we will write one last, that is sugar. Okay, so now we will write is end of OL tag. After that we will write is UL tag. UL means unordered list. UL. We have in this software we have to write starting and ending tag by our own. Okay, now in UL I will write it randomly. Okay, so I will write here a tag li, and I will write here randomly whatever I want. I will first write here sugar. Okay, After sugar I will write is milk. Okay, now I will write ginger. So after this I will write um I can write here milk. That is end of li. Now here I will write is what is remaining, water. Okay, so here you are able to see that. Okay, I have written maybe one more, I haven't given here. Okay, ending tag. Yeah, now it's proper. So see, here we are getting 4 numericals and here we are getting 4 dots. So in ordered list, dots are there, and for ordered list there are numbers. Now we are going to learn is nested list. Okay, so how to write nested list? See, in OL tag we will write here UL tag. That is for only what I can say, nested list. Okay, now inside UL tag we can write is li. Okay, we have to write is, not we can. See, here one dot displayed. I will write here only one thing. Okay, I will not write more for viewing. So now I will write here T. End of li. Okay, so see, T displayed in a different way. Okay, now I will write here once more. Here I will write UL tag. We can write more, but I will show you only one. So now I have to give here end of UL tag also. So now whatever I will write, see li. See here different circle or one more circle came. I can write it in same way like T, means it is not needed that we have to write it separately. Okay, I am going to cut it. Okay, so means this different circle can be displayed by writing by using the nested list. Okay, so this we got our separate dot here. See, T and separate dot came here. Okay, so now we will do is okay, sorry, yeah. No, correct. Okay, yeah, we will give here one more what comment. We will give here one more comment, that is unordered list. We can write and we should write maybe, because it's useful for us only. Unordered list I will write. So see, here came unordered list and nothing is displayed on our output side. Now here write I will nested list. Okay, so for our remembering, or it is easy for us, okay, to remember anything by writing our tags. Oh sorry, what happened? Okay, I will write here is nested list. See, now here came the nested list. So guys, this was all about this video. See you again in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon for the regular updates. See you soon.